Once we have set up our bench pin clamp and it's secured to the table, we're going to grab our piece of metal. We will have glued our design on top of it and we will start sewing it. When you're sewing it, just make sure that you do an up and down movement. You should not really be pushing forward. You should just move up and down. Just make sure that your fingers are secured behind the blade and not in front of it like I'm showing you in this part. So make sure you're behind it so you do not get cut in case the blade slips out. When you're cutting, just make sure that the blade is perpendicular to the metal and not sideways like this. Your blade will be vertical going up and down. So here's a time lapse. When you reach a turn, you will have to go slowly, keep going up and down, and slowly make the turn. You will mostly be moving the design and the metal and not the blade. Once you're done with the outline, you will be left with just your shape, and it should look something like this. We will then be filing all around it once we're done cutting out the inside.